Technology is a driving force in healthcare, and every day Leidos teams are using technology and research to find new ways for us to live healthier lives. Let's take a look at the groundbreaking steps the Leidos ExGloH Health Team is taking in research and development to combat some of the body's most harmful attackers. This is your immune system, the key to your health. Your immune system consists of several cell types, including T cells, your body's best weapon to fight harmful foreign pathogens and cancer cells. T cells are the primary cytotoxic killers of your immune system that can detect and destroy pathogen-infected cells as well as cancer cells. Their activity is regulated by a number of co-stimulatory and co-inhibitory signals akin to brake pedals in a car. The co-inhibitory signals serve to limit T cell overactivity and work efficiently when the co-stimulatory and co-inhibitory signals are in balance. Cancer cells upset this delicate balance by constantly expressing co-inhibitory molecules or immune checkpoints, making cancer cells invisible and impossible for T cells to combat. Leidos mined the microbiome in order to find new, safer molecules, peptides, that bind checkpoint molecules to make cancer cells detectable. Through this method, the T cells can now see the cancer cells and join the battle to eliminate them from the body. Leidos peptides target the checkpoint molecules potentially without eliciting the adverse reactions seen with the current monoclonal antibody class of drugs in the market today. Along with this increased safety profile, the Leidos peptides provide more delivery options to patients, such as DNA route of administration, for more targeted delivery and cost-effective manufacturing. Leidos has turned its attention to translating the tools of oncology to treatment and vaccination for infectious diseases such as HIV, malaria, and more. As there is still work to be done, focusing on precision medicine, reduced costs, and quality care, Leidos is delivering the solutions that matter most.